Hello, good buddies, and welcome back to this, my kitchen. Emily here. Today we're going to be doing a little ketchup experiment. In fact, we're going to be making Audrey Hepburn's ketchup penne. Penne a la ketchup, let's call it. Now, many of you know that I have a deep and abiding love for just about everything ketchup. I love ketchup chips, I love ketchup fried rice, ketchup on eggs. Ketchup and I are good buddies. What you might not know about me is that I also love old movies and musicals. Come on along and listen to, ow! And so I love Audrey Hepburn. I have a bunch of her movies on DVD from the olden times. So when I learned that Audrey Hepburn used to make penne a la ketchup, you know I had to try that recipe. So this is from a cookbook slash book from 2015 called Audrey At Home that was written by one of her sons, Dotti. I'm gonna follow this recipe pretty much to the letter because I want to see how it all works, the way that she apparently did it for her son. Great. I'm also going to link to this recipe in the article about it down below. All right, I'm very excited to give this a try. So let's do this thing. All right, so this is a super simple recipe, which we love, and I'm going to be having it for my real, actual lunch as long as it's even remotely edible, which for a ketchup fiend like me, I am sure it will be. So I've got my water boiling away. I have my dried penne ready to go in. This is nice and salted up, salty like the sea. So I'm just gonna drop this in here. And I'm gonna give it a little stir. And we are going for a nice al dente, so we're gonna cook that just about 11 minutes. Lunar estuary, a kilometer at least. This movie had a really racist portrayal of Asians. All right, 11 minutes are up, and it's time for me to check the pasta. How do we check our pasta for doneness? We eat a little bit. Noodle cheers. That's fun. All right, so my pasta is strained, and now I'm going to pop it back into the same pot. We're gonna put it over medium, and now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Shiny. So now I am going to do what the recipe says and cover it and turn it off and then wait another couple minutes. While we're waiting, I just wanted to show you my new salt dish that I got. Check out this salt dish. Ooh, yeah, now I don't have to carry around that whole box of salt everywhere I go. Salt. Salt. Okay. This process of putting the butter in and then letting it sit and like getting it all creamy, it helps the pasta become super silky, and it is called mantecare, according to this recipe. I'm actually learning something. All right, so my pasta has sat for a couple minutes, and I think it is ready for the next step. Ooh, yeah, that was good. All right, so I'm popping it all in this bowl, and we're going to add, for the recipe, a splash of ketchup, just until it turns the pasta pink. Oh, it's so tangy in my face. I would say that that is pasta turned pink. What do you think? Into my lunch bowl. Dot with additional ketchup. And garnish with cheese. All right. That looks good, actually. It smells like ketchup. Okay. Yeah. You know what? That's a great lunch. It's like the $1 pizza slice of pasta. It's great. I don't have any complaints here. I am going to jazz this up for my lunch with just some pepper, chili flakes, and fresh basil. So I thought I'd show you that I do that because you might as well know the truth of the matter. Basil, pepper, and just a shake of red chili flakes. All right. Let's try a slightly jazzed up version. I mean, I'm not gonna stand here and tell you this is healthy, But it's great. I would do this for lunch again for sure. It was really easy and it tastes good. I was here already with like, well, here's how you could jazz it up, but honestly, you should try it like this. It's good. It's a good lunch. Call me crazy. Some might, some have. I will say if you wanted to do this for like dinner, which could happen, you could totally pull that off. I would say maybe a little bacon, a little onion or garlic, or both. Maybe like some spinach in there or a little side salad, and you got yourself a full-on meal. I would do that. I might do that. Am I losing my mind? Audrey Hepburn proving she has great taste. Once again, the woman just got it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go enjoy my lunch. Have a great rest of your day, and catch you on the flip side. Seacrest out! Ketchup fried rice, ketchup on eggs, ketchup chips, ketchup just about wherever you can put it. No